Katy Perry is now a villain. There is literally nothing she can do where she will win in 2025. It's so wild because she keeps on misfiring and thinking that the public is going to respond one way and they respond the complete opposite. She's gone super viral, millions upon millions of views and dozens of videos of her being seemingly cringe and bad and people leaving 90+% negative comments. I'm getting an awful sense of deja vu because it reminds me so much of Jennifer Lopez.
I think there's always an internet villain. There's always going to be a pylon somewhere. It's just part of social media and how people communicate with one another. Like, you need to have something to on to participate in the internet. That's what makes it so toxic.
And that was just a snippet of our longer conversation about Katy Perry's new tour. Listen in full wherever you stream your favorite podcasts or directly at perezpodcast.com. The Perez Hilton Podcast with Chris Booker. Nobody does pop culture better.